Please welcome Justin Bartlett, a dedicated student and proud father of enroll and autoharp. From the sidelines to the stage, Justin was inspired by his children's musical journey. Justin has been diligently studying piano under Miss Heather for the past year. Tonight, Justin will share his musical talents with us as he performs the Carol of the Bells. When he's not practicing, Justin works in healthcare consulting and enjoys exploring the mysteries of human culture and music theory.